The word we'll be learning in this section is wakasu, which you will often hear in kitchens and during cooking shows or when someone prepares a hot drink. The word wakasu means to boil or heat something until it reaches a specific temperature. It's often used when referring to making water or other liquids hot enough to boil, such as when preparing tea or cooking. The first kanji means to boil or bubble up and often suggests heat or sudden rising energy. For example, in futten, it shows the idea of the temperature where liquid begins to boil. In futto, it adds the sense of vigorous bubbling or excitement, which can be used literally or figuratively. I boil water. 私はお湯を沸かします。私はお湯を沸かします。My mother boils water. 母は水を沸かします。母は水を沸かします。I boil tea. 私はお茶を沸かします。私はお茶を沸かします。Boil the kettle. 水筒を沸かす。水筒を沸かす。The most common synonyms of the word wakasu are kanetsu and netsuru. Kanetsu means to heat something up and is often used in a broader sense, like heating food or liquid in general. Netsuru implies making something hot, emphasizing the action of applying heat, but not specifically boiling. The most common antonym of the word wakasu is kiyasu. It means to cool or chill something down. While wakasu involves raising the temperature of a liquid, kiyasu is about lowering the temperature to make it cold.